Look, ladies, we all know there's no such thing as witches, okay? But we live in a highly superstitious Christian society. For God's sake, we burnt down the butcher's shop because the butcher was left-handed. But all you have to do to be released is just admit you're not really witches, okay? Just gonna say you're not witches!
Well, this is great news for you, Goody Carpenter, since you are clearly not an actual witch.
Oh, that's so funny, Goody Wilson. I was just about to say the same thing about you.
Ladies, stop it. This is great news for both of you. I, on the other hand, am doomed, as I am a very powerful witch.
I don't want to be the smallpox in your blanket, but I am pretty powerful.
Did I mention I'm queen of the necromancer?
I am the handmaiden of sorrow.
I am the literal spawn of Beelzebub.
Oh, my familiar has arrived. I summoned him while the two of you were arguing.
That's nothing. Yes, my familiar has been here all along. Oh, good boy.
Oh, how cute. Animals. My familiar is far more advanced.
Yeah, Goody Carpenter, you're the best witch ever. Oh.
Why, thank you, Handy.
Right.